This is the Unity Hybrid Slick Zone D placard. It is purposefully featureless. This is fantastic for mounting onto the rear of your vest so that there is nothing that gets caught on it while you're riding on a car or just sitting in any chair. It covers this area and looks extremely professional and clean. To mount it, it's super easy. Now, when we flip this over, you're going to notice that it has 4 upper tabs and 2 lower tabs. For now, we're just going to focus on the upper 4. On the left, you'll always see your model, that is Slick, as well as the zone that it mounts to, D, and the size. If you need help determining what size is compatible with your placard, you can reference this simple chart. On the right-hand side, you will always find the US flag because this has been developed and is proudly manufactured 100% in the USA. To mount this, we're going to take each of these tabs and we're going to place it through the Unity mounting slots. What I like to do is take each tab and have just the base of it come out that lower slit. And place it in through the top and out the bottom. Once all 4 have the tabs through, we're just going to pull so that each one is nice and snug. You don't have to pull them extremely hard. It's not going to help you with anything. Once those are all snug, what I like to do is back them off just a hair. That will alleviate any unnecessary tension that was placed on this placard. It's not necessary, but it makes things look just that much better. From there, we're going to take each of these tabs and place them into the lower slots, and that will allow us to have a full coverage loop area, making it so that when we pull this down and place it, it is extremely secure. Now, unlike other placard zones, you'll notice that Zone D has 2 securing tabs. These tabs are going to be inserted through these lower slots, and what they're going to be doing is making sure that the base of this Zone D placard does not lift while you're sitting in a car, in a chair, or anything else. You can just leave them that way, but the proper way is to make sure that you open your panel pocket and secure that tab between the Velcro opening. Once you do that, you can be sure that this placard is absolutely not going anywhere and will stay there for years to come. This is the Unity Hybrid Slick Zone D placard.